Hi and welcome to the ShopIntegrator Getting Started tutorial. In this tutorial we'll just cover a number of key features and show you how to get started with your online shop. First thing I want to draw your attention to is this video tutorial button. By clicking on this you'll get a pop-up video tutorial browser where you can find video tutorials that go into a lot more detail in a number of the different areas that you will need to set up. So this is just to give you an overview of where things are located. And you can come into here and find more detailed tutorials on other aspects of the product. And also under the help menu there are a number of written guides that you can use, and there's the support guide will give you the way that you can get in touch with the ShopIntegrator help desk and ask for support there. So first thing I'm going to draw your attention to is the product manager, so you can get to it from the shop admin homepage via the quick product links button there. So both will end up in the same location. So the product manager is where you're going to create the products to sell your shippable products, your services, your digital downloads, your donations, setting up donations and e-vouchers and a variety of other product types. So we're going to give it a short description that will appear on the product in the shopping cart checkout, and on the order we're going to give that a price. So once I've create this product, there are other tutorials that will go into product creation in more detail. I've created the product in the system with a unique stock code. So now the next thing I can do is I can put the product e-commerce button into my website, and I can do that for this specific product by clicking this plugin product to website button here. It's just going to warn me if I'm editing or changing other details that they would be lost. So I said OK, and it comes through to this add e-commerce to your website page. Now I'm just going to take you back to the shop admin homepage, because you can also reach the add e-commerce to your website page from here and from this quick access button here at the website. So this page is the step-by-step guide that walks you through exactly how to add the different e-commerce button types into your website. So for standard HTML website template, or a content management system, or DIY site builder where you can copy and paste HTML into the page, and you could use this. However, if you open it up, you'll see we have a number of DIY site builders and content management systems listed. So if you choose yours, if it's listed there, you'll get specific integration steps that will show you exactly how to do it within your site builder or content management system, and you have special integration code that is designed to work with your particular site building solution. But if you don't see it listed, use the any web page solution. So that's the add to the website. That's how to add the e-commerce buttons into your website, or the online store into your website, and the checkout. So I'll take you back to the shop admin homepage. So we've created a product, we've added it into our website, and if that's a shippable product, we would want to use the shipping manager here, or from the shipping and delivery menu, shipping manager, or the quick access shipping link. And that's where we would set up various shipping plans that we want to have in our checkout, in our shopping cart checkout. Once we set up shipping plans and activate those, then we'll have a new delivery step in the checkout that will calculate the customer's shipping costs. Again, use the video tutorials with more detailed guides on setting up shipping. So once we've created a product, added it to the website, set up any shipping costs we have if it's a physical deliverable product. The next thing we want to do is style the shop e-commerce to fit in with our website design. So we can use the appearance manager from this quick access button, or the same appearance manager from the shop admin homepage. So the appearance manager is where we would style our e-commerce look through a number of the built-in buttons, and easily modify any of the colors and change the layout. And we will see the preview of how this is looking up here, and you can modify various things to turn off different features and change the fonts, sizes, and various features that you have for your site design. And if we expand this section, we can get hold of the checkout, shopping cart checkout appearance settings to add our logo image, or set up various fonts and colors in the checkout to match our site design. So this is the appearance manager, and until I click save all changes, then none of these are going to be, these changes will take effect. So once we've styled it to match our website using the appearance manager, then the next thing we want to do is connect our shopping cart to our payment processor so we can take the payments for the order. We do that through the payment menu, through the payment gateway manager, or the quick link from payment gateway manager from the shop admin homepage. So when we go into the shop payment gateway manager, by default PayPal is already added. You can either delete that if you're not using PayPal, or simply enter your PayPal primary email address, and that's the email address you use to log on to PayPal, and click save all changes, and your shopping cart will then start sending order payments through to your PayPal account, where the customer will be transferred to PayPal to make the final payment into your PayPal account for the order. As you can see, there are a number of other payment processors listed here, and we're adding new payment processors all the time, as well as online payment processors. You'll see there's some offline payment options for taking payments as well. So we've created a product and we've added it to our website, and we've set up our payment gateway connectivity, and we've styled it with the appearance manager to fit in with our site. Then if you need to add tax rates, you can do so through the payment tax manager, where you can set up taxes for countries, and for certain countries like the United States or Canada that allow you to set up tax rates on a per state or province, territory basis. So you can set our tax rates in here, and by default the country we chose on registration is the default country that will be used for the initial tax rate when the person visits your website, but you can change the default country to a different country, or you can expand these sections and add tax rates for the different states, for the US, and save all changes to take the effect for your tax rates. So that means all the prices you enter in the system then are the excluding tax rates. So we've set up any tax if necessary for our payment tax manager. Then once we've started creating orders, and we've done some tests to taken orders through the website, then you'll come into your order manager. So the order manager is where you'll find your orders from the last 7 days listed, or you can change the search criteria and search for orders, and you'll find that there's an order export feature that you can export it to a spreadsheet CSV file once you've produced a list of orders. But obviously this is a new account, there were no orders listed for this account. So that's the order manager to see your orders. I'll also draw your attention to the discounts and vouchers button here. Also for the quick button, you can access it there, or also under the customer discount voucher manager. So discounts and vouchers are where you would create money off or percentage off discount codes. So a discount code is what you would issue to a shopper that they can enter in the shopping cart checkout on the confirmation page and get a reduction in their order cost for the discount or voucher code that you're creating. So different to discounts and vouchers are the product special offers manager. So the special offers manager allows you to instantly reduce the price of a product or a group of products in a category by a money off amount or a percentage amount, and that allows you to run, say, a temporary promotion where you could run 20% off for a week without having to go into each individual product and change the price of each product. You could have 20% of a whole product category, and then remove the offer in a week's time, and all the prices will return to their original normal price. And as well as the discounts and vouchers, we have the special offers, which we were, and I also want to show you that the orders Manager has this additional order and checkout settings tab, which I didn't cover before. So there are a variety of settings in here that you can apply, such as setting up your own terms and conditions URL. That'll replace the generic ShopIntegrator terms and conditions in the checkout. Adding messages into the order email receipts. Switching on order invoicing, so it starts generating invoice, tax compatible invoices that you can then print off from your order manager and it also issued to the shopper instead of the order receipt email. Then the other details that you can set in the order manager order and checkout settings tab. So they are the key features of your online shop. Please do use the video tutorial pop-up for more detailed video tutorials that will go into the different features, and also for your help for the different getting started guides, for the different written guides here, and also the support guide will tell you how to contact ShopIntegrator support if you get stuck or you have any queries or you're not quite sure what you need to do. So once you've finished using the ShopIntegrator web admin, it's always advisable to click the log off button here to securely close your shopping cart session. So time for you to get stuck in and start creating your ShopIntegrator powered online store. I look forward to seeing it. Bye bye.